What'd you say it was, Grace?
Hybrid.
Definitely says hybrid. What are you doing? What are you doing? Bye. But yeah, we're gonna ride that now. So we'll see how that goes. What are you doing? Grace, your mother's way back there. Come on, Patricia. Let's keep walking.
Mom, this way.
No, Grace, this way. Grace, this way. No, it's not. It's back here. My God. You're dumb.
You like my outfit? Okay, guys, so today we're going to be doing an OOTD. I have on my white roshi.
That was ugly.
And then my, Nike Pro. And then I have on a blue shirt and a bralette from their
Okay, well, I almost ran into that trash can.
And then I have on my bracelets.
Oh,
I
nice.
got a swim one and a
We don't
G
care.
one because my name's Grace.
We don't care.
I tried, but I just don't want to try anymore. I'm so
Oh my God. That was awesome. That was awesome. That was amazing. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty good. You don't feel that on like any other roller coaster. It's kind of ridiculous.
Stupid.
What was that?
Stupid.
Let's let on watch gay makeup artists on YouTube.
There's nothing wrong with gay people.
Gay makeup artists. So, we're going on Dominator now, and then we're probably gonna go back, ride Twisted Timbers, and get lunch, or get lunch then Twisted Timbers. I don't know yet. It's all just based on our mood.
Yeah, mood. We were gonna ride. What were we gonna ride? Oh, we were gonna ride Flight of Fear, but the line was too long, so we were like, I mean, it's not that great a ride anyways, so it wasn't worth it. And then we were gonna ride Volcano too, but then
We just didn't want to wait.
yeah, we didn't feel like waiting.
So, we're going on Dominator now. So, we'll ride that. I'll get that on GoPro as well. I'll show you how I'm doing this. And it just hides in there, and then
Definitely.
the ride's over. I just slide it back up. And we all set. I get that, but I don't like all that.
We're gonna at least add sprinkled cheese on top.
Oh, that sounds bomb.
Do you like bacon?
No, not getting bacon.
Can we just have the sprinkled cheese on top?
Shredded cheese?
The shredded cheese on top?
Oh, it looks bomb.
Yeah, that's fine. That's not enough for both of us.
It is.
Alright, that's
Don't
fine.
make it much. How is it?
Not a lot though. Here, we'll just serve it.
So guys, we're heading out now. Went back, rode Twisted Timbers one more time. And yeah, that's about it. About to go get some food.
Yeah, we're going to get Mexican food.
We're getting what?
Mexican food.
We're getting La Toteca.
Yeah. Black taco.
It's not La Taco, but okay. Waiting for Patty so we can take our picture. Ooh, it's bright. Oh, get it. Hold it.
What are you doing?
Wait, I get come towards you.
How do I focus on you?
Just press the shutter button.
I have to get Dave chicken. How did we get seated?
Y'all know what's up. Y'all know what's up. Butter crush. Hey, that looks bomb. Is that good? Where's my parents? Those people right there. That's disgusting.
Take a picture?
That's disgusting.
I'm not saying it on camera.
Do it. Say it.
Stop the murder of fish. Hashtag never again.
Y'all think she could bass fish? Black Max combo is
Hashtag Abu Garcia.
I'm surprised she actually got the name
Not
right.
sponsored.
Most people say Abu. They got like all these Black Max combos for sale. Stop. You're going to security. Stop. These Black Max combos are low-key nice though. Like, if you need a good combo, get a Black Max combo. They're good, cheap. Like 50 bucks, yeah. 60 bucks for 6'6" medium. Okay. No, come back. For real though, I want to pick up one of these lightning shock rods. These are sexy. These are sexy. This is a 6'6" medium. Because this, with a Abu Black Max, would look so sexy. The black and red with the orange and gray. I don't know. I'm thinking about picking one of them up soon. I don't know yet though. All right, I'm letting Grace pick something out. I do want a KVD square bill. I want one of these, but they're too expensive. I'm not spending $6. Because you can get them cheaper on Black Friday. I don't want a Bill Lewis rattle trap.
But that's what you're getting.
No, Grace, those are like $5. I don't want one.
No, they're $2.62.
I don't think that's that. Oh, that's cotton cordell, that's why. I don't want cotton cordell. I don't want a pink fluke.
Please.
Pink flukes are dumb.
Well, which ones?
Actually, I do kind of want to get these.
No, but I don't want to pick those.
Well, I want these. So then you can pick something else.
What about these? The green lizard.
What are these? I already have lizards. I don't need lizards. Go look at the clearance stuff.
What do these do? These look like
Those are for. Those are not sperm. Keep moving. Oh, the I'm a Topwater. I'm a Topwaters are sexy. They're just chilling back here. They're $9, and I don't have that much money. Look through here. Look. These are all like clearance stuff. Look through here. I'll look down here and see what's down here. Oh, those are all top. Those are all saltwater stuff.
these are not clearance.
That is the clearance bin. These are all clearance. You can only find some good stuff in here. Jitterbug.
I want to.
These are all micro fishing.
I want to pick it. What about this one?
What?
This one.
I already have tulip hoppers. I don't like tulip hoppers. All right, fine. Pick something out. Pick a bait out, and I'll fish it. Like, it has to look reasonable. It can't be like a stupid white and black, because there's no shad. So that's what I'm getting. I'm getting Jim U-tail and Motorola chartreuse, kind of a bluegill imitation. I'm getting the white swimming super fluke. So, yeah. Mood.